You're about to see the part 1 of my adventure in Amazon. I am in Amazon all this time, but I went a little bit deeper and I spent 3 nights camping on a beach next to the river. So it was really interesting experience. So take a look. And this is the part 1. And I'm still going for my first 100 subscribers. So if you didn't subscribe yet, do it now. And later share, like and comment. And enjoy the video. Grande limón. We took a short break and 7,000 mosquitoes and some sandflies bit me right away. We are pretty deep in Waorani territory already. All day in this motor canoe. Mosquitoes are eating me alive. Even it feels like I took a bath in a repellent. I don't know. I'm tired. it was really hot, then it was rain, and it's hot again. I don't know what's worse.
¿De qué?
Penes de diablo ya no.
¿A diablo también?
También sí.
Ah, pero otra planta.
Sí, es otra planta.
This is where we're gonna camp. We start building the construction to put a nylon plastic over it. I'm pretty tired all day in this motor canoe, but it was rewarding in the same time. Camp is ready, hammocks are ready. I'm gonna sleep on a hammock but on the floor, just because my hammock has a mosquito net. It's really nice. Here, the river Rio Nushimi, something like that. I'm gonna write it probably here because I couldn't remember. I'm really tired to talk, so let's see what evening and night's gonna bring. It's time to take a bath. This was so refreshing. Whoa. Whoa, I'm back to life now. Yeah. I cleaned myself. Camp is ready. Food is getting ready. I have really two nice guides, Don Guillermo and Gaia. One is Quechua, one is Waorani. Long ride with the motor canoe all day. It is kind of a little bit of torture, but it's a pleasant torture.
Cascada.
It's 7 p.m. only and it's total dark. I see the weird things around. I go sleep now and it's 7 p.m. Good morning. I just pooed like a cat. I dig a hole, do my thing and put a sand on it. And a lot of mosquitoes bit my bum. Not good. Not fun. Rain again?
Banco aquí, diríamos palabra John Tayaco.
We keep going now. We are really close to Peru, like 10 kilometers from the Peruvian border. So it's really deep in the Amazon already. Adios. Goodbye.
Bye.
Waorani.
Goodbye. Guapa.
Guawapa en Waorani. En Quichua, Don Guillermo.
En Quichua, Chupunyagama.
Chopunjagama. Quichua, Gonchumpuguaga.
Punyagama.
John Pujwagama, Guawapa en Waorani. Adios en español y goodbye in English.
Mandami purin, Sachama purikani, Nyapa Amerika, Ripukawami Abadi. Esta es la música Waorani.
Música de Waorani.
Malake, Ali Puncha. Kapa semepe kono. Kapa semepe. Ya wapen guapa urai.
¿Está Quichua o Waorani? Quichua. There is so much birds here, even toucans. There are plenty of them.
Por eso más bien yoka mana munani baiganawa sacha purikawa.
This behind me is Tagaeri territory. They're the ones that still live totally naked, just in the jungle, and they're aggressive. So even like Gaia and Don Guillermo are a little bit nervous. They don't want to have anything with a civilized world. You go inside with the clothes, they attack you with the spears and blowguns and stuff. Subscribe.